miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel alive.
Hey boo, hey! I'm back with some human hair drip from a company that is slowly becoming my most favorite human hair company. Beauty Forever. They actually sent us 2 wigs, so I'm excited to get into both of them. Y'all know I'm gonna butcher the details on this though, if you've been here for a while. If you're not, take a seat. Click subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50K by my birthday. But if you look in that description box after you click subscribe on your way down, you'll see all the details on this wig and a direct link to this wig. So thank you, Beauty Forever, for sending this over. All right, y'all. So they put the wig in a package, of course, but they also sent goodies. I say this every human hair video. Human hair is an investment. So, you know, after you sell your kidney to get this hair, it's nice when they give you extras like a sack, some stocking caps, another little sack with goodies, okay? And in this one, we have some clips, a scarf, some more stocking caps, and some lashes. That little, you know, $3 worth of stuff does matter, in my opinion. Why am I so drunk? Y'all know what? I meant to say crunk. Also drunk. You know what I've been on? That wine with that little woman dancing in the field. I don't even know what it's called. All right, I'm gonna read out here, y'all. It says that this wig is 24 inches long and it's a loose wave. All right. Y'all know I go back and forth between loving loose wave and deep wave. Those are my favorites. Now, something like Jerry Curl or Water Wave, those are nice because you really don't have to do much to it. Okay, let's look at this loose wave. Ooh, y'all. Y'all. Baby, straight out the pack. All right. Cap construction, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and a small piece of lace. In the front, look at that, y'all. In the front, you get a comb here to the right, a comb to the left, and then you get, I want to say it's a 13 by 6. Hell, it could be a 13 by 98. I don't know, look at the box. You get all that parting space. Ooh, y'all. All right, so before we cut off this lace and start playing around in it, and how many inches did I say? This is 24 inches. Y'all, that's pretty, huh? Look at that. And because you get all that parting space, you can part it anywhere up in here. And it comes with baby hairs. Y'all, Beauty Forever. I'm telling you, they are slowly becoming my most favorite human hair wig company. Let's cut off this lace and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. y'all see how easy that was? And all I did was pull it out the pack, swoop some of these baby hairs, and that's it. Y'all, did y'all see how natural that lace was laying? This wig is absolutely gorgeous. So it's so ironic that I was like, yeah, I normally like a deep wave or something because you don't have to do much to it. Y'all, look at these curls right out the pack, baby. Okay. Ah, y'all, that's nice. Okay. This one is 24 inches. So keep that in mind if you want it to be. And so that's straightened, and you could straighten this if you want to, but so these curls giving real romance. Giving real, who am I gonna spend Valentine's Day with? Maybe 3 people. Meet somebody for breakfast, meet somebody for brunch, meet somebody for dinner. And be on my couch by my damn self late on at night, spending everybody's coins. Why? Because I am rich. I'm very rich. That's what this hair gives, y'all. That is so pretty. I decided to put my part over here on the right because I really like this wig. And I know that I would wear it to the right, but you know, because of that parting space, you can part this over there. You can do it down the center. Y'all, this wig is just a bop. This wig is a must. And that is what I mean about Beauty Forever being some amazing human hair. And y'all know I really don't wear human hair. Okay, either I'm bald or I got on a synthetic wig. This is one that I'm keeping. This was one staying in my arsenal now. How beautiful. Like I would say, maybe you aren't even into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Bobby. Hey, Bobby, I know you watching. Maybe it's your Uncle Bobby. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Beauty Forever will get them right, y'all. Lord have mercy, that's pretty. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.